Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how to duplicate a project on Asana. So you can see there are multiple projects available here, but now we will click on this button. Now you can see multiple options available here, but we will click on duplicate. Simply click here. Now you can choose multiple options here under the duplicate project you want to select. So just click on create new project. So now it will take some time to make the duplicate of your project. So finally you can see it is being created. So now finally duplicate of our project Elon Musk is created. Now click here. Now you can see this is the duplicate of our project. You can check all the details of project is here. It is the same like your first project. So in this way you can make a duplicate of your project.